Tronsmart is not as good as Apple or Sony when it comes to true wireless earbuds, but after using the Tronsmart Onyx Neo for a couple of days, I'm impressed with how it performs, especially when you consider that it only costs $25. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how this true wireless earbud could be the best budget earbuds under $30. I have timestamps in the description just in case you want to skip to a particular segment. You can also use my affiliate links in the description in case you want to buy the device after watching this video. The buds come in a case that is reminiscent of the Galaxy buds. It comes in a matte plastic material that displays scratches, but one clean with your wipes will make them disappear. The case is light and carrying it around won't be a problem. There is a mini LED light indicator at the front, and yes, it comes with a USB Type-C charging port. We have some Tronsmart branding at the top. The lid is not really strong, but it's quite okay. And one of the things I don't like is the fact that it doesn't sit when placed on a flat surface. Make sure to change the ear tips to the ones that will fit into your ears perfectly. I love how small the buds are when they are in your ears, especially because they are super lightweight and convenient to wear. The Tronsmart Onyx Neo uses the Qualcomm aptx for fast connectivity and zero latency. It also has Bluetooth 5.0, and ever since I started using it, connection has been real fast with no latency at all. I played games to check the latency, but it was not there. The moment you remove the earbuds from the case, they automatically go into pairing mode. This is one aspect that I completely appreciate. With this earbud, you can also decide to use only one ear, maybe the left or the right. Connectivity with Apple iPhones works just fine. It even has better sound quality when paired with iPhones. Like I said earlier, you need to find the perfect ear tip. If not, the earbuds will fall out of your ears most of the time. Wearing it for long hours won't cause you any strain. I used it to move from one place to another and it fits perfectly. While running, it will continuously fall off my ears. There are some sort of controls that you can do with the earbuds, but what I don't like about the control is the fact that you can accidentally touch the sensor at times when you want to adjust the earbuds. You tap once to play or pause music. You can also tap once to pick up calls. Tap twice quickly to increase volume on the right, and tap twice quickly on the left to decrease the volume. Tap 3 times to change the track with the right, or you tap 3 times on the left to go back to the previous song. To launch the voice assistant, you need to tap and hold for 2 seconds. There is a little bit of delay of some split seconds, so you might mistakenly touch it again, thinking it's not responsive. The sound quality is awesome. For the price of $25, you get a very good bass as well as balanced mids and high. You get to feel the passive noise cancellation, and Qualcomm aptx codecs also contributes in making sure this sounds fantastic. Vocals are separated perfectly from the beats, and I stream different genres of music just to make sure I get the right feel of the sound quality. Here is how the earbuds sound when you are making a call. This is the sound test of the Tronsmart Onyx Neo. This is how it's going to sound when you are making a call. And if you made it this far watching this video, a sub to the channel will be massively appreciated. Do let me know what you think about the sound quality in the comment section as well. The case has 350 milliampere while each pair of the earbud has 35 milliamp. With these, I'm getting up to 5 hours of straight usage from calls to music and basically everything. Charging the case takes up to 2 hours and 30 minutes, which is slow, and you can use the case to charge the buds 3 times over at least. It's just hard to finish the whole battery in a day. The Tronsmart Onyx Neo is surprisingly great, and you might need to show me a better deal than this right now. With a good battery life, good sound quality, super lightweight, and a price of $25, I bet it will be difficult for you to offer me a better deal. Like this video if it was helpful, and make sure to subscribe because I have a lot of true wireless content coming. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.